Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm here with my August Boxycharm unboxing. I am very late with this video. I know, I've been focusing on my tarot, so excuse me. We're having a little bit of a hair, I don't know. Okay, all I know is I need to wash and style my hair, but I'm too lazy, so it's really knotted. But we're gonna pretend like it's not. So this is my second last box. Yeah, this is my second last Boxycharm box. I don't think that I am going to renew my subscription. I think that this is just gonna be it. Maybe in the future I will resubscribe and do it all over again. I do think it was worth it for $400. You know, but anyway, yeah, let's get into the August box. I did open it. I got it about 2 weeks ago. I think I got it like 2.5 weeks into August, the third week into August. So this is it. It's a different box than the last ones, and it came with the wrapping. Last month, I don't know if you guys watched July's box, but it didn't come with the protective thing in here. So yeah, but here's the box. Oh guys, and don't like look at any of the pimples on my face, okay? We are having a little bit of a malfunction. Hair, skin, nails, everything's just looking raggedy right now. So yeah, this is it. 5 full-size products. I did take a peek when I first got the box, and then I just set it aside. I didn't look into it. I just opened it like I did, looked, okay, and then put it in a closet because I just had no time to get to it 2 weeks ago. Let's go. So the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is from Volition Beauty. This is their Hibiscus Unspottable Correcting Oil. That is a mouthful. I'm pretty sure I got one other product from them. I'm not 100% sure. Ooh, I do know what it is. It is that mushroom serum from like the first or second box that I got from Boxycharm, or my third box. I love that mushroom oil, so this is gonna be interesting. Okay, it's just rich of antioxidants and reduces the appearance of dark spots and discoloration. When I was pregnant, I had like this big dark spot here. I don't know if you guys remember it from my other makeup videos, but it's gone now. Ooh. Actually, it's right there. Do you guys see that? You guys see that dark spot? So that is one of the dark spots that kind of got more prominent during my pregnancy last year, and it was kind of like, I didn't know how to get rid of it, but it just kind of, it's not as dark as it was last year. Let's open it and see. Okay, I like their packaging, not the box, but like the actual packaging of the product. So all of their products, even the serum that I got, the mushroom serum, it comes with this little pump here, and I like that. It is rose gold, like, okay. Now this little guy right here, this Unstoppable Correcting Oil, this goes for $49. Let's see if I can smell it. Ooh, that smells like, I feel like tea tree oil. That's the kind of scent that I'm getting. Okay guys, so this next one is from Iconic London. This is their Ultimate Bronzing Powder. This looks humongous. And this product retails for $35. Now this little box, it is cute. This little writing is like engraved. Medium bronze. Now I don't really, no, that's a lie, because I do bronze occasionally. To kind of get this forehead to look a little, you know, smaller, but I'm not like one of those people that contours and bronzes and everything like crazy like that. Let me just fix this freaking head. And you can already see my fingerprints on it, and it is, it's like a mirror, so you can see. Let's go ahead and see what this oh. Okay, so I don't know if this is a protective layer that was supposed to be on the bronzer, but this did not come with a protective cover on it. This doesn't look bad. This would be the kind of color that I think I would go for, medium bronze. Doesn't look too orange. Okay. No scent, and it just, yeah. I'm pretty sure this is a mirror under here, but okay, this is exciting. This is very exciting. I have one bronzer from Sephora that I received for my birthday, and then I received another bronzer last month's box. But if you guys watched my last video, it was like hella orange. No, my last video was my full face using all Boxycharm. No, it was July's box. Anyway, I did a couple videos. I can't remember which one. The bronzer that I received in my Boxycharm box, orange. For $35 though, you are getting a lot of product, I'm assuming. You're paying for the case, I guess. Like, this is pretty good. 35 bucks. It's big, you know, the packaging is not bad. Like, I feel like it's worth the money. It's worth the money. We will see though, because I'm gonna do some more makeup videos, and we gonna see what the hell my face looks like. I will say though, with me focusing more on my makeup and, you know, skin routine and all of that, I feel like my makeup skills have gotten better. Yes, I do need to do my eyebrows as well, but yeah, I feel like my makeup and everything is getting better. Like, I'm perfecting a craft that I didn't know that I had. There is a palette in my box, so I think I'm gonna save that for last. Let's go on to the third product. So first of all, this box is all broken and busted up, so I already know that, I don't know, it's just an extra product maybe that they just threw in this box. I don't know, but yeah, so the box here is a little bit busted. This is also from a brand that I have never heard of, Clara's New York, and it's just a hyaluronic acid facial serum. Yeah, this is like real busted. I hope someone didn't use this and then return it. I don't think they can do that, but this is like the vibe that I'm getting. Like, the box is all busted, like someone got this, tried it, and then returned it. It looks very sticky, icky, like honey up in there. Do I have hyaluronic acid? I'm not sure if I have this, like, or if I received it. I don't think I've ever tried hyaluronic acid, but this though goes for $24.99, so $25. It's natural, 97% natural humectant. I think this just keeps the moisture in your skin, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see what it smells like. There's like no smell. Interesting. Okay, so this will be fun to use. So yeah, Clara's New York. The second last product that I'm gonna show you, this is a facial mist. This is from Mana Kadar Beauty, and this is her Hydration Happy Face Mist. Have I ever used a facial mist? No, I have not. So it's my first time for everything up in my Boxycharm. Like, every time I get a box, it's like, I've never had this, never heard of this, never tried this. This is pretty. This retails for $19. Let's go ahead and smell it. It does come in a protective little thing here, so you know that it was not opened before, unlike that damn hyaluronic acid. The ingredients here, ooh, seawater, aloe barbadensis. Y'all know what the hell I'm saying. Okay. Castor oil. See, I'm afraid of putting any kind of oil on my skin because I'm afraid that it will clog my pores. Ooh, that came off real nice. And it clicks when it's, oh. Let's smell it. Oh. Okay, so first of all, it smells very perfumey. And like perfumey as in like perfume that I would put on my chest and wear. It smells like a rose petal perfume. Yeah, so that kind of makes me scared to put this on my skin because I do have like a somewhat sensitive skin. I think it's more of like a hormonal sensitivity, because like I'll be walking one day and I'll just get a bunch of red patches, like a red patch here, up here, like, and it'll just be itchy, but it'll come out of nowhere. But yeah, this makes me nervous because my skin is a little bit sensitive. So, but according to what it says on here, known as one of the natural wonders of the world, the Dead Sea produces 12 minerals that are not found in any other sea or ocean. First of all, how do people know that? How do you know that? These ingredients, such as calcium, zinc, copper, magnesium, and potassium, are known for the ability to help soothe, cleanse, revitalize, and strengthen skin. First of all, like the perfume in here, like this smells like something I would put on my body, not even on my face. Okay, but yeah, so $19. It's pretty cute. It's reminding me of that lip oil, which I'm wearing right now, that $18 lip oil from Basic Beauty. That's the kind of vibe that I'm getting from here, but this is cute. Like it has a nice little, I forget what, like marbly type of packaging here. Like this is cute, but will it break me out? Probably. So the last product in my Boxycharm box is from Ditto Cosmetics, and this palette retails for $29.99. This is the limited edition Venus palette. And I feel like with spirituality and astrology, you know, on the rise, this is what we're going to be starting to see a lot more of. Like people are going to start producing more products to kind of go with this because a lot of people are into it. First of all, I'm not really sure if this is a eyeshadow or if it is just like face, because it says it's a 12 shade palette. It doesn't say eyeshadow, but I'm assuming it is. But let's talk about this. So yeah, we got Venus, and I love the colors here. Like it's nice and warm. I want to predict that this is gonna be like a bronze kind of palette, which, you know, I don't mind. And the fact that it's limited edition. See, when you get stuff like this, like limited edition kind of shit, it makes me want to keep on being subscribed to Boxycharm, because if I'm gonna be receiving things like this, hello, I want it. And it came closed here, so I like that because it just reassures me that this has never been opened before. Oh my goodness, that took me too goddamn long to open. Okay, so yeah, $29.99, $30 palette. Let's see what it looks like together. Ooh, okay. Oh, what the hell is this? What the hell is this? Is this face and eyeshadow? Float through the stars with this limited edition palette. It represents being It literally does not tell you what the hell it's used for. It comes with a nice big mirror, and I will have to make a video with this because I want to try this out. I will say I'm not going to test it or anything in this video because I don't want to make this like a first review kind of video, but this is giving me like, it looks chalky. Like some of these just look really chalky, and maybe the pigment is really good, but like me looking at this, it looks kind of like cheap. It's reminding me of like cheap kind of dollar store, drugstore makeup. Yeah, so let's see, can I get this to be clear for you? I don't know if it's coming up on the camera, but it just doesn't look like it's gonna be pigmented. Anyway, yeah, like this middle color right here is just, it looks weird as in like not gonna be good. Anyway, so yeah, for $30, if you guys want to know how this palette is going to be, I will be making a video eventually here. I'm assuming this is eyeshadow because what the hell, you ain't gonna be putting this on your cheeks. Well, maybe you would, but I wouldn't. You ain't gonna be putting this on your face. So I'm assuming this is going to be for your eyes. I think the idea is cute, like I said, with spirituality and astrology coming into play and everyone's into it. I think that makeup companies are now kind of like hopping on that bandwagon because, you know, if people love this kind of shit, you gotta make it to sell it. So yeah, I like the fact that, you know, you got Venus, Earth, Mercury, Moon. By the way, everyone, list your put your Venus sign in the comment box below. Tell me what your Venus sign is. I have my Venus in Aries, so yeah, in the 11th house. Ooh, and I think these are asteroids too. Deimos, I think that's 10, I don't know. Callisto, I don't know. So anyway, yeah, so they have some planets here. I think these are asteroids as well. They got Mars here. And just by the colors here, I don't think these are supposed to be like highlighters or anything. Maybe this one is a highlighter. I put this thing back on. Maybe this one is supposed to be a highlighter, like up here, but yeah, like where the hell are you supposed to put this? I hope that you guys enjoyed this little Boxycharm unboxing. It wasn't as fun as my other ones because, you know, these products were just, you know, they were just, you know what I'm saying. We have 2 more boxes. Yeah, we got 2 more boxes, and then this little segment of mine will come to an end. So make sure that you like, share, and subscribe all my Boxycharm videos. I will see you guys next time. I'll see you guys in a couple weeks here because the September box is coming. And yeah, bye.